Education of Indonesia. Good morning. What could I do for you, sir? Hmm? 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 Okay, thank you.
Just to confirm, the New Zealand police head of police did say one man has been charged with murder. He didn't give the name. He said he was in his late 20s, but this main suspect is being widely named as Brenton Tarrant, a 28-year-old
Hi, look.
from Australia. And and it's believed that...
Now, we know who the real terrorist is. They are showing their real faces now. And I think they must be Christian.
Hey, what's your language for? It's too soon. It's uzon. Don't you know it, do you?
I know what seuzon is, but
No religion teaches us to kill. The murderer has no religion on him. I guarantee that.
you sure about it?
Very sure. Instead of accusing somebody, better we pray zuhur now.
Alright, let's do this.
الله أكبر كبيرا والحمد لله كثيرا وسبحان الله بكرة وأصيلا إني
By the way, about what I've said in advance, I don't think you are completely right. I mean, the murderer should have any religion the ground behind, shouldn't he?
Ya Allah, why are you so insist of it?
They hate us. The Christian or other religions do. They're happy to look Muslim suffers.
Astaghfirullah, Fatima. It's too much. It sounds like you have much more hatred than anyone else.
But
Look, I know that many people in this world don't agree about our choice being Muslim. But hatred, it's so overrated.
But they are different. They don't worship Allah like we do. They are praying for a statue, incense burner, or even human.
We kiss Hajar Aswad stone in Mecca when Hajj. And when someone says, "Is that your God? Are you praying for a statue?" What would you do when hearing this question?
Of course I'll be angry. We are not praying for a statue.
Oh, wow. You look so temper right now. Why don't your Quran tell you to be patient? They ask you again.
You don't know what Hajar Aswad means.
And you don't know what cross in Christianity means or what kind of statue that Buddhism pray for, right? Am I right? We don't know, Fatima. We don't know. If you want to make such that argument, at least you have got to study before you speak. Who are you anyway?
I'm a customer service like you too.
Yes, we are. We are very not capable to speak up like you did. Have you ever been to Gelora Bung Karno Stadium?
Been there some. Watching football matches. Why?
You ride a bike or drive a car?
Because I don't like traffic, so by bike, obviously.
And the road you take, passing Block M or Gandaria City?
Wait a minute. What is it about actually?
Your password, please.
Alright, boss. It's Block M.
Thank you, Mom. Your password is verified.
Sounds like our job.
Well, if I prefer driving a car to bike, will you blame me?
What the heck? Of course not.
Then I choose Gandaria City as my road. Will you say I'm an idiot?
Absolutely nothing to blame, Whatever the road we choose for, at the end, we're gonna meet at it too.
That's right. That is my point. When someone chooses to take a different way, We cannot blame her. Otherwise, we should keep respecting her way anyway. You or I may argue that our way is the best, but so are they. Just like the religion that you have taught so far, we cannot judge what they choose are worse. We do what we believe they are too. We choose Islam as our road to Allah, while someone else was choosing another road to Allah. We may not judge them. Only Allah may do it so. People like us, we have no rights. Remember about what Sayyidina Ali had said. If you are not my brother in faith, you are my brother in humanity. Whoever they are our brothers and sisters as well.
Astaghfirullah. You're right, I'm stupid. Forgive me, Allah. Sorry, Thanks for reminding me.
Nobody is perfect, isn't it? So am I.
But you look so perfect for me so far, you know.
Wait. Hey. My watch is broken. We are late.
Are you serious? Come on, let's go.
I apologize for this one.
No, it's fine, I apologize.
Esther?
Aisyah,